If you are a DIY enthusiast, a handyman or a professional, you've probably encountered power tools. They are essential for any construction project, big or small. They can save you time and make the job easier, but with so many options out there, it's important to choose the right tools and accessories for your needs. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the different types of power tools. There are a lot of options out there, but some of the most common include drills, used for making holes and driving screws and bolts, saws, used for cutting materials including wood, metal and plastic, sanders, used for sanding and smoothing surfaces, and grinders, used for cutting, grinding and sharpening materials. Each tool is designed for a specific task, so it's important to choose the right tool for the job. Consider factors such as the size of the job, the materials you'll be working with, and your personal preferences. For each type you can find interchangeable drills, bits or discs. Those come in many sizes and shapes. There are accessories dedicated for very specific tasks, so it's possible that we have something just for you. Next, let's talk about the two main types of power tools, corded and cordless. Corded tools, like this one, are powered by electricity and provide a constant source of power. They are great for big jobs that require a lot of power, as well as for jobs that will take a long time to complete. Corded tools, on the other hand, are powered by batteries, making them more flexible and mobile. They are great for smaller jobs and for jobs that require you to move around a lot. However, cordless tools do have limited runtime, so it's important to keep extra batteries on hand. What's other important thing, the batteries are usually universal for devices from one manufacturer. Let me show you with this Metabo set. Here I have a working drill, but I can swap the battery like this. And use the grinder. The third type are industrial tools. They are dedicated for usage at, for example, production lines. They are less mobile but more robust. Very often they require a special power supply. Also, they are more precise in terms of torque, which makes them not as flexible as your classic electric screwdriver or drill driver. Nice addition is this balancer that helps to keep the tool out of sight when you don't need it and within the reach when you need it. A different kind are pneumatic tools. Those don't use electricity but compressed air. You might recognize this technology from your dentist, but here the compressed air gives much more power. That's why it's often used instead of electricity. The other thing is the speed. Pneumatic tools can achieve much higher RPMs. Of course, to get compressed air, you need a compressor. Then, to deliver air to the tool, you use elastic tubes. Just remember to get proper sizes of joints. All the adapters are available on our website, tme.eu. Finally, let's talk about safety. Power tools can be dangerous if not used properly, so it's important to follow proper safety guidelines. This includes wearing protective equipment such as safety glasses or hearing protection, as well as following the manufacturer's instructions. Always make sure to read the manual and understand the proper use of the tool before using it. If you are unsure, don't hesitate to ask for help from an expert. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Power tools and accessories are essential for any construction project, big or small. With the right tools and accessories, you can save time and make the job easier. Jewing?
Jezus.
And now subscribe for more videos like this.